my YouTube channel, and in today's video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make money from NFTs. Okay, how to make money from NFTs without buying NFTs. You get it, or should I take it again? How to make money from NFTs without buying what? NFTs. So if this topic interests you and you want to know how you can make money from NFTs in Nigeria without buying NFT, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment. Say NFT in the comment section, and I'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back from that short break. And like I said in the intro, that in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make money from NFTs without buying or owning a single NFT. But before I get started, I want to do a brief introduction to what NFTs are for the benefit of those that will be hearing NFTs for the first time. So what is an NFT, or what are NFTs? An NFT is a digital asset that represents real-world objects like art, music, in-game items, and videos. They are bought and sold online frequently like cryptocurrencies, and they are generally encoded in the same underlying software as many cryptocurrencies. Although they have been around since 2014, NFTs are gaining more traction now because they are becoming an increasingly popular way to buy and sell digital artwork online. Okay, so that is just basically what an NFT are. Okay, but that is not the core purpose of today's tutorial, because you don't even need to own an NFT before you can make money from an NFT. So today's video is focused on how you can start making money in the non-fungible token or NFT market without buying a single NFT. In this video, I discuss different ways or methods or opportunities available for anyone: developer, artists, researchers, content writers, okay, to make money from the NFT marketplace without buying an NFT. Okay, so without much ado, let's go into the ways that you can use to make money from the NFT market without buying or owning an NFT. Okay, ways to make money from the NFT market. Now, the number one way we have here is an NFT designer. Okay, now you can make money from the NFT market if you are into 3D artwork, okay, and you are able to design an NFT like you see online. So many NFTs, so they need people to who are technical to design these NFTs that they use for marketing and for purchase. Okay, so if you are good in NFT design, or that you design art, you can also fit into the NFT marketplace and you make money for yourself. So if you go to google.com and you type on NFT NFT designers job opportunities, right, you're gonna see different people who are looking or to recruit NFT designers. Okay, because the field is so on, so you can see it, and the pay is really nice, and it's a kind of a technical skill. So if you are looking to acquire a digital skill, you might want to consider acquiring a skill that is relevant in the NFT marketplace. Okay, so with that said, number two is a community manager. So just like cryptocurrency, NFT works basically the same way cryptocurrency work. Okay, there's a community behind every NFT project, and NFT project basically use Discord as their social channel, just as cryptocurrency loves to use Telegram and Twitter. Okay, NFT loves Discord because that is where they have access or features like whitelisting and other robotic features that aid the business of what the community. So you can see right here, this Bethu is also an NFT project, and this one is also an NFT project. Okay, so that is one thing. So you can become a community manager for an NFT company, and then you make money for yourself. Okay, you can see every NFT project has what community, a growing community, and they need what managers to what help them to manage what this community. Okay, to interact with what with users. Okay, answer their questions and solve their problem in the community. And the pay is very much. And if you have watched my video that I explain how to get cryptocurrency job that pays you $15 per hour, you would have a broader understanding of how this NFT community manager this thing will job work. So with that said, move further to the number 3 ways to make money from the NFT market. And the other one is what Discord server setting. Now, just like we have just as we have Telegram and then we have Twitter, okay, and you know that in this social communities, there are what we call social media marketers that helps to set up what a company's or a brand Twitter page and Telegram community when it comes to setting up boards and other stuff, especially when the currency is doing an airdrop, okay, with the Telegram bot. Now, when it comes to these NFTs, what they use is what Discord, like I have said, and there's what we call Discord server setting. Okay, the way Discord works is different from the way Telegram or Twitter works, and Discord requires a bit of tech, okay, to set up what a quality what Discord server. So you can get paid a lot of money to set up a Discord server like this for a single NFT project. Now this is an NFT project, and this is their Discord server set. Like this is how NFT community looks like. Okay, so there's someone who is in charge of setting up this server, the bots and everything that powers the community. So if you have that skill, then you can work as a NFT Discord server manager, and you get your pay. And you can also go to YouTube to get quality videos that will teach you how to set up an NFT community in Discord, and then you can acquire. So basically all of these skills that we're going to be discussing here are easily learnable through YouTube, free YouTube videos. Okay, if you search for good channels that do quality tutorials. Now we move further to the fourth skill on how you can make money from NFT without buying NFT, and that one is called the NFT whitelist. Now NFT whitelisting occurs in every NFT project. Now this is a way, just like we have a pre-sale, okay, for the currency project in NFT, they call it whitelist, okay, and this gives community members the chance to buy the NFT art before your public launch, okay, and those who are buying the whitelist get it at a lower price or at a discounted price, and they tend to make more profit than those who buy at the public launch. So to get the whitelist, they basically do that in Discord. Every NFT project makes use of Discord to do their whitelisting, and it's just basically to level up. Okay, the more you chat, the more you level up, and the more you level up, the more you qualify to become one of the whitelisted individuals. And apart from the whitelist, you can work for people who are interested to buy an NFT or to partake in an NFT project and get the whitelist. Or you can actually, you can actually work on the whitelist on your own, and then you sell to someone who is willing to buy the NFT whitelist before the public launch. Or you can actually work for people through Upwork, okay, to chat and get them qualified for the whitelist. Now, to sum up, these are just the basic 4 ways that you can use to make money from NFTs without buying an NFT. And if you want to ask me where will you be able to get this NFT job, like I have said, I'm going to show you an example of somebody who is actually doing this perfect work here and is making a lot of money. And that has to do with Upwork. Let's go over to Upwork. And if you go over to Upwork, and I want to show you an example so you know that people are making money from NFTs without buying an NFT. So look for Nazaya and Ahmed. Okay. So if you go to Upwork and you look at this guy's profile, he makes money from NFTs without buying an NFT. Okay, you discover that he has gained over $20,000. Okay, this is profile in Upwork, and you can see what he explained in his profile, that he's an experienced Discord moderator, community manager, NFT, and Twitter. So he discovered that basically he covered everything that we have discussed in today's topic. Okay, now he has like 94% job success score, and he has in $20,000 dollars. He has worked for 127 hours, and his total hours worked for 2,434 hours. And the most amazing thing about this is that he has 20 jobs currently ongoing, and the first one is paying $4 per hour. Second one is paying the first one is paying $4 per hour, and the job is NFT community manager. So you see that you can make money from NFT without buying an NFT. So this guy is making money from NFT without buying an NFT because he's working as a community manager, and that is I think the number one or the number two that we discussed in ways to make money from NFT without buying an NFT. Now the second one is being paid $6 per hour, and he's working as English speaker moderator for NFT project, the same NFT project. And the third one is he's working as an NFT Whitelist virtual assistant, and he's being paid $4 per hour. And the fifth one is no, it's not an NFT job, and it's not an NFT job. So if you actually want to view this guy's profile, I'm going to drop his profile link in the description of this video for you to take a look. And you can see the other job here is this called chat activities. He's being paid $4 per hour, and he has gained $528. And the other one here is working as an experienced NFT sharer promoter for Discord and Twitter. He's working $6 per hour, and he has gained $60. So there are so much ways you can make money from NFT from what I have just listed here to Upwork. And if you don't even know what Upwork is, or how to make money from Upwork, or how to get a job from Upwork, or how to use Upwork, I've done several videos that cover that topic extensively. Okay, so I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video for you also to check, watch, and equip yourself for this journey that you are about to take. So if you have any question that is concerning how to make money from NFT, or about these skills I just mentioned here, how to learn them perfectly, you can drop it in the comment section, and I'm going to do my best to answer every comment with the best answer that I have. Okay, and one thing I would like to tell you that there are so many ways you can make money online. It just depends on your focus. Okay, so if you are focused on, you are intentional about making money from NFTs, then you not just go up and down on different NFT airdrops, but focus on what really matters, like acquiring the skill that is needed for every NFT project. Okay, the airdrop of NFT might be useless or worthless to you, to help in your wallet that you make any money, while the guys who are working back of the projects, okay, for you that is doing the airdrop, you not get anything, but then that are working for the project get more money than you on a low key that you don't even know. So this is just an eye opener to you, knowing that there are so many ways you can make money from NFTs without buying them or partaking in airdrop, but by working and filling this role. And these are the 4 major ways to make money from NFT project. Now that is all for today, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video to others to learn 1 or 2 ways they can use to make money. And I'm looking forward to see you on the next tutorial. Bye for now.